Hi, I'm Eric Porterfield. I'm here at L&M Supply in Grand Rapids in the Power Equipment Department. Today we're going to talk to you about spring maintenance, tune-up, and getting your equipment ready for the mowing season. Common things that you're going to want to pick up for your spring tune-up of your lawnmower: blades. You're going to want to pick up spark plugs, fuel filter, oil, possibly belts, just depending on the condition of the belts on your lawnmower. We also offer, if you don't want to get individual items, if you know what brand you have, for example right here we have these Kohler oil kits. So if you have a Kohler engine in your lawnmower, all we need is the model number off of that engine, and then we can match you up with the correct kit. We also have them for Kawasaki as well. When you come into L&M Supply to get your spring tune-up items for your lawnmowers, it's a great idea to come to us with your model, your manufacturer, your serial number, so that way we can make sure we get you set up with the correct blades, the correct oil filter, the correct air filter, etc. If you do not have that information, we can work with you, ask you a few questions, and get you the correct items to get you going for spring. Many of our customers bring in their riding lawnmowers with snow blowers attached. We'll take them off, and then we take care of getting their mower ready for spring, which will include blade sharpening, changing blades out, oil changes, spark plugs, fuel filters, those sorts of things. A lot of times they're bringing in other equipment, push lawnmowers as well. We'll tune them up, whether it be a spark plug, oil, air filter, new blades, or sharpening the blades as well. All the brands that L&M represents, which would be Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, Ariens, Gravely, Husqvarna, we're a designated warranty center. So even if you didn't buy the product from us, you can still bring it in. We can maintain them. We can, if there's any warranty issues, we can take care of that. You know, L&M services what we sell, and we're more than happy to take on any additional brands as long as we can get those parts. So, you know, that I've went over the common items that you're going to need. You know, come on in. We're more than happy to help you, and we appreciate your business. Thank you.